Bonjour, I hope that you're doing good and you're revising well for your French exam because now not much time is left. And if you still have doubt in any of the topic that you want me to repeat, put it down in the comment section of today's video and I'm going to repeat that topic in my next video. So for today, let's just revise passé composé. What happens in passé composé? There are two things in passé composé. One is être, avoir, être ou avoir, and the next is participe passé. You need to be really thorough with the tenses so that you can handle convenient tense question. That is why I'm revising all these tenses again so that you can just revise them one more time and get a hang of it and be very much clear with all these tenses. So let's start. Today's video I'm just covering avoir because être is entirely a different concept and participe passé of the verbs er, ir and re. So what happens in er? Put an accent, re changes to you. So if I take one verb, for example finir, and we have to conjugate finir in passé composé. How are we going to do it? We'll just conjugate it with avoir, like I said before. We will conjugate it with avoir. There's a separate list of 16 verbs with which we write être. So we're going to do it next time. So just conjugate avoir. See, j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a. Just conjugate the entire verb. Nous avons, vous avez. So yeah, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Okay, so let's just see. Finir, it's an IR category. We can take any of the categories. ER, IR or RE. Right now I've taken a regular verb, IR category. So what happens in this IR category? In IR, we just have to cut R and put an I. So I is already there, it remains fini. So the same past participle, just keep on noting down with all of them. So fini, fini, just keep writing, past participle remains same. It remains same. So this happens in a normal category. Apart from this, we have a couple of exceptions. So for today, I want you to go through all these verbs. There are still that are more and we can add on next time. But for today, make sure that you know the past participle, all these verbs that I've written here on the board. So in all these 17 verbs that I've written here, this thing will not work. Okay, altogether we have a different word that we need to learn. So avoir, past participle is you, être, était. If you know the past participle, very nice. Do one thing, note down all these verbs and write down the past participle. Pause this video, come back again and then check all your past participles. Faire, fait, dire, dit, lire, lieu, pleuvoir, pleu, prendre, pris. I have not covered here apprendre and comprendre. So prendre, pris, apprendre, appris, comprendre, compris. Très bien. Falloir, fallu, mettre, mis, écrire, écrit, recevoir, reçu, vivre, vécu, savoir, su, d'avoir, dû avec un accent, ouvrir, ouvert, offrir, offert, and construire, construit. So I've included these 17 of them for today's video. You can even add on more and even I'll add on more for the next time. So till this time, make sure that you're thorough with this passé composé topic. Avoir portion should be really very clear before we move on to the être one next time, followed with a mixed question. By that time, if you have any doubt in any of the topic, put it down in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to help. Au revoir.